Welcome back to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Yamaha FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters, a bike that combines aggressive styling with hybrid technology. Is this the ultimate 125 cubic centimeters Streetfighter? Let's find out. Design and features. The 2025 FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters continues Yamaha's muscular design language. The sharp tank extensions, LED lighting, and sporty stance give it an aggressive look. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all essential ride information, while Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless smartphone integration. Engine and performance. The Yamaha FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters is powered by a refined single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, designed for smooth city rides. With Yamaha's hybrid assist technology, the bike gets an extra torque boost during acceleration, improving fuel efficiency and performance. Expect a peppy ride, perfect for both city commutes and occasional highway runs. Comfort and ride quality. One of the biggest highlights of this bike is its comfortable riding posture. The wide handlebar and well-cushioned seat make it ideal for daily commutes. With telescopic front forks and a monoshock at the rear, it ensures a stable and smooth ride, even on rough roads. Braking and safety. The FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters is equipped with a disc brake setup and single-channel ABS, providing confident braking performance. Yamaha has also focused on safety with features like side-stand engine cutoff and a strong chassis for improved stability. Pricing and verdict. At Rs 144,800, ex-showroom, Delhi, the 2025 Yamaha FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters sits at a premium price point in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. However, with its stylish looks, refined engine, hybrid assist, and comfortable ride, it makes a strong case for itself. If you want a sporty yet fuel-efficient city bike, the FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters is worth considering. Conclusion. What do you think about the 2025 Yamaha FZ-S 125 cubic centimeters? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more exciting motorcycle updates. See you in the next one.